So I got one of the track out of the Sienna. We're gonna see if we can slide this out. If I can remove some of this bracket stuff. 12 mil. And flathead. Looks like that's it. We're gonna pry this out. And that should be it. Looks like we're good. It does come out. Sweet. So to put the track in, be careful with this plastic piece. There's a spring inside, so that way it doesn't pop out when you try to push it in. What you gotta do is you gotta grab both sides, this side as well. You just gotta push it back into this groove, and then you gotta slide in this track. And we slide it in. Of course, pull this bracket down. Also the back side too. There we go. There we go. Perfect. And cap back on.